Hi, this is Paul, and this is an overview of the XBRAT Auto Harmonic Pattern Indicator Suite for NinjaTrader. I'm going to do it on a couple of different types of instruments. So this is Euro US dollar on the 5 minute. One of the things that we look for with this indicator is that the harmonic pattern completes in the automated completion zone. That's printed as soon as the C pivot is printed here, and then we start to come down. It must complete in this automated completion zone, which this one did. It colours the harmonic pattern in the resulting trade that you're going to do. So if it's coloured in green, you're going to go long. If it's coloured in red, you're going to go short. It labels it. This one's a bat pattern. Bat pattern completes in the automated completion zone. And then I use this little tool here, which is fantastic. It's an EMA cloud. And this allows us to get an entry. So when we break above the EMA cloud, we look for an entry here. We can adjust that EMA cloud. We can go reasonably aggressive on that. So if we want to go more aggressive, at the moment we're on 34. We could go to 21 EMA, for example, and that would be our entry here. And then we'd use the 21 EMA to manage the trade as well. So when we get a close below here, we can actually take our profits on that trade on Euro US dollar. You see how it rejected those lows there and went back up and found support in that EMA cloud. So there's lots of opportunities to manage it with this EMA cloud. You can be very aggressive once it's in, change it to 13 EMA if you like. Let's do that right now. So we change that to 13 EMA, and we can see here this is where we would take our profits on this little pullback here. But the main thing with the auto harmonics is that you look for these to form and complete in that automated completion zone. And then it's a high probability resulting trade. So let's have a look at another instrument. So this is another example using oil futures this time on the 5 minute again. I just want to show you this again, different type of pattern this time. It's identified as a crab pattern. It's coloured in green. We're looking for the resulting long trade, and you see how it breaks through that EMA cloud and goes up, tests those previous highs of that pivots and comes back down again. So not everything's a runner, but when it completes in that automated completion zone, whether it's a crab pattern, a bat, a butterfly, a deep crab, or whatever it is, when it completes, there's a good chance we start to move away and we can go long to at least this point. So again, it's very, very simple to understand that it does it all automatically. The only thing that you need to wait for is for it to complete and move away. And if it completes in this projected auto completion zone, then you're good to go. Let's have a look at another example. Okay, so this is bonds on the hourly. Again, we've got a bat pattern completing, coloured in red this time, completing the automated completion zone where the cursor is here, and look at the resulting trade here. See how it pushes through that EMA cloud, goes to go back up again, fails, moves back down with this huge move down. Then the resulting trade is fantastic. So again, it's all about understanding. You can change the colors on these as well. So if I went into indicators and I wanted the harmonics here, I can go on the bear wave and I can change that to a crimson if you like. I can make it a little bit thicker, and we can get those in there, and we can change that to crimson, change the line style, that sort of thing. We can even go to the projection zone here. So we can put that in I don't know, you want to put it in pink, you can put it in pink if you want to, and the colour there, and apply. Okay, so we can see here now, we can see that complex pattern, but completes the automated completion zone and goes really down there. Let's have a look at one more example. Okay, so this is a stock, and it's an example of when not to take the trade. You see how this bat pattern completes, but it completes underneath the completion zone, and look at that resulting move, gap down and continue to go down here. So again, it's crucially important when this starts to print for the completion zone. If you get a completion of that and it starts to move away, there's less likelihood that resulting bullish trade in this case would complete, and this is a prime example of when not to take the trade. So again, that automated harmonic, it recognizes the type of pattern, it colors it in green, you're looking for a long trade, but the last checkpoint is it completes outside of the completion zone. You don't take the trade, and look what happens. So hopefully lots of different things. We know how to lock stocks, Forex, futures, lots of different time frames. It's about the software. It's expert auto harmonic indicator for the NinjaTrader platform automatically finds them and then projects where that completion zone should be. Then you can use this simple EMA cloud to help you understand and manage the trade, get in the trade, that sort of thing. So hopefully that helps, and I'll speak to you all really soon.